Let's see Amanda and Giselle. Here we go, ladies. Yeah. Woo!
Hurricane going through my brain. You know you left me nothing. Feelings I can't explain. We pushed it hard until it hurt.